going on, Skoolie people, or whoever's watching this? I guess you don't have to have a school bus to build a plywood countertop. I just wanted to make a quick video talking about what we did for this here countertop. It's just plywood. It's pretty cheap. It's pretty easy. And I don't know if I'd recommend it for a sink area like what we did, but for a regular desk or countertop, it works just fine. So what we did is, this was all one sheet of plywood, and we got not one sheet, it was two sheets, but we glued them together and it became one sheet. So I got one ugly piece of plywood and one sanded, nicer looking piece of plywood, and I lined them up and glued them together with wood glue, and then got some short little deck screws and just screw them together. And you don't want to get screws there too long, or else you'll be stabbing yourself on your countertop. So screwed them up from underneath, let it dry, and then I just ripped it right in half, so we got it 2 feet wide. And so the countertop is 2 feet wide, and I have my measurements here just in case you're wondering. 2 feet wide, 61.5 inches long. That gives us just enough walkway here to get to the back of the bus, and it also gave us just enough height. So the height of this piece here is 34.5, which gives us a 36-inch counter, which feels good. And so we've got one leg here at the top, and then we have another leg here, which is the same as that, 34.5, and then just one cross piece for our microwave. And that is basically how we did it. We have little elbow brackets in here to hold it all up, and then we just cut the holes for the sink and for the stovetop, and then it left us enough for a slab to put on top of our fridge. So we did our whole kitchen area with just 2 pieces of plywood glued together, and then I had some extra scrap that I used for the sides of this fridge over here from the bench area. I'm trying to think of anything else. We lacquered it with a bunch of polyurethane. I probably did 3 or 4 coats, and I could have done more, especially around the sink. You have to be really careful not to get water on it, or at least dry it off when you're done. And I caulked the inside of this, but still not great for a sink area, but great for anywhere else. I think that's it. That's really simple, right? Quick update. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around.